Do you know the difference between vector and raster? Vector, geometric shapes with mathematical equations. Raster, an array of pixel value to define the image. Vector, great for illustrations, small file size, scale to any size, infinite resolution, easily convert into raster, fast editing, flat or gradient color, no loss of image data when zoomed in. Raster, great for photographs, large file size, can scale down but not up, finite resolution, not convert into vector, slower editing, lots of possibility with color, loss of image data when zoomed in. Vector for business cards, logos, simple or complex illustrations. Raster for image manipulation and editing. Vector, Adobe Illustrator, encapsulated PostScript, CorelDRAW, scalable vector graphics, graphics interchange format, drawing interchange format. Raster, Adobe Photoshop, portable network graphics, bitmap, joint photographic experts group, graphic interchange format, tag image file format.